The little voice inside each and every single one of us. That little voice, when you wake up every morning, that tells you you need to get up, you need to take action, and you need to do this. What am I talking about? I am talking about your passions. I am talking about that little voice that speaks to you every single day. That little voice that tells you exactly what way to go, in what direction to go, and why. Most important, your why. This little voice that we have inside in each and every single one of us tells us exactly what our passions are, what ignites the fire in our soul, what makes our heart skip a beat, what puts a smile on our faces, what gives us a sense of satisfaction, happiness, and joy. That little voice inside each and every one of us tells us exactly what we want in life. If you have something inside of you that makes you feel this way, but at the same time you are having fears, you are having anxiety, you are having doubts, this is completely normal. I understand the fear. I understand the doubt. I understand the anxiety. I understand the fear of the unknown, not knowing what is going to happen when you take that leap of faith. I understand you might fail, but you also might succeed. And this little voice will guide you into the right direction. This little voice knows exactly what it is that you want in your heart and in your soul. The feeling that you know exactly what direction you are going in life, it will just feel like the stars are connected, like they are aligned. It will feel like a hand in a silk glove. It will just feel right. Yin and yang. And again, I understand the negative emotions that come with this. But this is normal. Fear, anxiety, and doubt. Let them not be your block, but let them be your guidance. Let them be your teacher, and let them be your growth. And let them be there for you. You will know if you make a mistake. You will learn from your mistake. And let that fear of the unknown be your fuel. Try it. That is all that I can say. Try it. If it is painting, then paint. If it is speaking, then speak. If it is writing, then write. If it is making music, then play the notes into the skies. If it is making a YouTube channel, then turn on that camera or your phone and just press record. Let it pour out of your soul. When you have this feeling, this voice that speaks to you every single day, then please listen to that inner voice, because it is your soul. It is your inner soul speaking to you. And it doesn't matter if people around you, if some of them don't like it. People are not always going to like what you have to say or what you have to do. That's okay. We all have the right to think and feel. But do not let it stop you, and especially if you know your purpose, your passion, what it is you want to do for the rest of your life. If you already are living your passion, you are eating it every day, you are drinking it every day, you are sleeping it, you are literally living it. You have this little voice that speaks to you. You have this feeling that the stars are aligned. You have this feeling like a hand in a silk glove. Then it does not matter what others think or feel, because it is your purpose. It is what you are meant to do. This will put a smile on your face. This will make your heart skip a beat. This will give you a sense of satisfaction and happiness and purpose. We are all here for a reason, and you are here for a reason because you have a purpose. Go achieve those goals. Go chase those dreams and turn them into a reality and make them into the life that you desire and that you want for yourself. And again, let the fears and the doubts and the anxiety be your growth. Because the more you practice and the more you preach, the better you will get. And you will still have people that are naysayers, that are negative, that are not going to like you. So what? You can never please everybody. You will also have people that love you, adore you, follow you. And you will have people that love what you have to say and what you have to do. Focus on the positive and let go of the negative. And I understand this battle. I understand the battle of I'm scared, I'm fearful, I'm doubtful. But let them be your guidance. Let them be your teacher. Let them be your growth. And do not let it stop you. Do not let it stop you. Too many people let these negative emotions stop them and block them. And that is how people do not achieve their dreams. Because they get stuck in the what if. You will never know unless you try, honey. Please try. Please try. And once you try, do not give up. Keep going. If you trip, if you fall, if you stumble, it's okay. Those negative emotions will come into play, but let them be your guidance and your teacher, and you will get better. You will get better. As long as you keep practicing, as long as you keep showing up, as long as you keep showing that dedication and that motivation and that willpower, as long as you keep doing that, you will get better. And you will enjoy it much more. And you will be happy because you are fulfilling your goals, your dreams, and your purpose. Do it for you. That is also a grand tip that I have to say. Do it for you. Do not do it for anybody else. If you do it for anyone else, you are doing it for the wrong reasons and you are doing it for the wrong purpose. You are meant to do a specific thing. Please give it a try. Do not give up and just go for it. I know you can do this. I have faith in you. Trust your heart. Trust your intuition and trust that inner little voice that speaks to you. And let it be your teacher, and let it be your guidance, and let it be your path to success. I truly hope that you loved and enjoyed this video. If you happen to be new here, then please be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to push that notification bell so you will not miss a new video or upload of LesleyBos Motivation. Thank you so much for always being here for me and for being my fans, my followers, and my subscribers right here on YouTube. Thank you, and really thank you from the bottom of my heart. Have an absolutely awesome and terrific day. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Please stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.